That supermarket has a lot of customers or clients. Do you know the difference between them? Customers buy things. They buy from a shop, from a supermarket, but clients buy services. You could be a client of a bank, of a lawyer, etc. Here we have a supermarket, and in the supermarket we buy things, so we choose customers here. There is something on the blank of my room. Floor or ground. What's the difference? Well, floor is what we walk on inside the house, but ground is what we walk on outside the house, in the street, at the park, or any outdoor area. Here we have my room, which is inside the house, so the correct answer is floor. There's something on the floor of my room. The strong blank blew the paper away. Air or wind? What's the difference? Well, we all know air, right? We breathe air. Wind is moving air, so it's air plus motion. Do you know this sound? This is the wind. Here we have strong, and it blew the paper away, which means there was a motion, a strong motion. So the answer is wind. The strong wind blew the paper away, not air. Give yourself a mark on each one and write your